Welcome back to another Filmora tutorial, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract audio from a video file. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Filmora application on your device, and once you have started your project, you can import your video file using the import option. Now here I have a gameplay footage. I'm just going to drag this onto the timeline and then choose my desired project setting. Now the gameplay footage already has audio from within the game, which is visible through the audio spectrum. Let's hear the preview.
Another peaceful day in Bikini Bottom for SpongeBob SquarePants.
Now in order to split this audio, just right-click within the video track, and now you will see the detach audio option. You can also use the shortcut key, which is the Ctrl plus Alt plus D button. When you click on this, the video section now doesn't have an audio, and a new audio track will be created within the audio section. Now you can remove this audio if you wish and add some background music. Alternatively, you can also record your voiceovers by using the microphone option. And now you can use your desired audio with your footage within your project on the Filmora app. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove the audio from your video clip on the Filmora video editor. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.